If you know one question, you can solve most of the rest of the question also. So let's get started from the first question, and this is the question from the year 2020, that prove that the trigonometry identity 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta is equals to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Here, and in this video 2 more questions are there, and both are very similar to this question only. So be focused in this question only, then rest of the 2 questions pause the video and you try to solve it. Okay, so how to do such questions? So we have to identify the different type of the trigonometric question. सो यहाँ पे हमें उनका बेसिकली एक पहचान करनी होती है कि इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन होगा, ये चीज़ गिवन होगी एलएचएस में, तो हम कहाँ से स्टार्टिंग करनी है. और ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में स्टार्टिंग ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. अगर हमने सही स्टार्टिंग की है तो धीरे धीरे हम आंसर तक पहुँच जाएंगे. अगर हमने एक भी स्टार्टिंग में गलत स्टेप ले लिया तो वो बहुत ही लेंदी हो जाएगा. घुमा फिरा के उसको सोल्व तो कर देंगे लेकिन टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होगा. तो देखिए, अगर इस टाइप का कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता है आपके पास जिसमें हमारे पास जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियो हैं, फंक्शंस हैं, वो एक रैशनल फंक्शन की फॉर्म में है. रैशनल फंक्शन मीन्स देर इज़ वन न्यूमरेटर एंड वन डिनोमिनेटर. सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इफ वी डू द रैशनलाइजेशन, अगर हम क्या करते हैं वहाँ पे रैशनलाइजेशन करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर का, सो हम आंसर तक ईजिली और बहुत ही क्विकली पहुँच जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 1 माइनस कोस थीटा 1 प्लस कोस थीटा है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, जस्ट राइट हियर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. सो एज आई टोल्ड इन द फर्स्ट वीडियो itself, we will learn how to write, means just assume that we are attempting our exam now only. So what we will be writing here, rationalization, this is the your task. Just write this thing, rationalization the denominator. So how to do rationalization, this is not a new task for you, all of you know what to do in the rationalization. So just change the sign of the denominator and just multiply the given function with it and divide it also. So the next step will be 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, और हमें क्या करना है, 1 माइनस कोस थीटा से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड 1 माइनस कोस थीटा से इसको क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे. तो यहाँ से हमें क्या मिल जाएगा, ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में 1 माइनस कोस थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस कोस थीटा. तो यहाँ पे भी जैसे कि रिसेंट में लॉकडाउन रहा है तो कुछ स्टूडेंट के बेसिक्स क्लियर नहीं होते, तो आपको क्या करना है, न्यूमरेटर, अगर ऐसे हमारे पास दो रैशनल फंक्शंस की मल्टीप्लाई होती है तो न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो ऊपर 1 माइनस कोस थीटा 1 माइनस कोस थीटा, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, होल स्क्वायर 1 माइनस कोस थीटा होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 प्लस कोस थीटा एंड 1 माइनस कोस थीटा. So what we can apply here, you can see here we can apply a plus b into a minus b, and this thing is going to equal to a square minus b square. और हमने स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से की थी, जैसे यहाँ पे जो हमने लिखा है फर्स्ट स्टेप, यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं कि हम किसके साथ वर्क कर रहे हैं, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के साथ वर्क कर रहे हैं, और हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को सिंप्लीफाई और यू कैन से मॉडिफाइड करके इसको राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल दिखाना होता है. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिल रहा है, न्यूमरेटर में 1 माइनस कोस थीटा का होल स्क्वायर, नीचे क्या जाएगा, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, मीन्स ए स्क्वायर 1 इज देयर, सो 1 स्क्वायर इज 1 माइनस कोस स्क्वायर थीटा. सो यहाँ पे ध्यान रखने वाली बात क्या है, कुछ बच्चे जैसे अगर कोई क्वेश्चन हम पहली बार डायरेक्टली एग्जाम में सोल्व कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या मिस्टेक कर सकते हैं, ऊपर हमें दिख रहा है a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, और हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने की कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है, सो इस तरीके से करने से चीज़ें और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होती है, और ये केस होगा जब आप फर्स्ट टाइम उस क्वेश्चन को एग्जाम में देख रहे होगे. ठीक है, तो हमें इसको एक्सपेंड करना भी गलत नहीं है, लेकिन हम ये देखेंगे इसको एक्सपेंड करने से हमें ऊपर 3 टर्म मिलेंगे. वी विल बी गेटिंग 3 टर्म इन द न्यूमरेटर बट इन आवर राइट हैंड साइड. in the question we are having only one term and the whole square, then definitely if we will simplify whole square we will be getting 3 term. So it will be a little bit confusing and the lengthier also. So it will be better if we will be not expanding this. I hope all of you are getting my point. So now just write it as it is, 1 minus cos theta whole square, and in the denominator 1 minus cos theta will be equals to sin square theta. And whenever you are using some identity, so in the bracket in that step only just mention here that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and from here itself we will be getting sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So whenever we are writing the logic or the concept behind the step, so it will be an extra additional impression on the examiner who will be examining your answer sheet, so it will make effect there. So now what you can observe here, this is here also we are having the square of the numerator and we are having the square of the denominator. So by the law of exponent, what we can write here, that if we are having a square upon b square, so we can write it as a by b whole square. You might have done these things in 7th and 8th class. So by using this law, what we can write here, 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta whole square. I hope all of you are getting my point. Now what we will be do, we will be separating the numerator term. So means you can say we are dividing the numerator term by the denominator. So it will be 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta, and whole square is there. So 1 minus sin theta will be what? Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, and this is our right hand side. You can see here this is right hand side. So only one thing you need to do here, just write this is equals to right hand side and hence true. So this is our answer. So this is very easy. Let's conclude it. So whenever you will be getting such function, rational functions, so once just, it is not sure that, but 80% there are the chances if we will do the rationalization of the function, we will be getting our answer. Okay, and the most important part of the video will start now itself. So my next question, that is very interesting. You can see here, you can compare it. So in the first question, what we are having, 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. In the next question, we are having whole under root. Whole under root. So what we will do, we can write here, taking square root on both sides. So what it will be, it will convert into a new function, or the you can say question, it will be square root 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta is equals to, in the right hand side, if I will take here square root, you can see square root and square will just cancel each other, and what we will be getting, cosecant theta minus cot theta. So this what we are getting here, but after taking the square root. Now just see in the next question what is there, the same thing is there, under root 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta is equals to cosecant theta minus cos theta. In place of theta there is a written here, so it will not make any difference here, and this is the question of the year 2012. So this is your task, just simplify this question, or if you wish I can solve it. Let's do it very quickly. So whatever we have done in the first part, first question, same thing we will be doing here. Just do the rationalization, but here this time we will be doing the rationalization under the square root only. So 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus cos a, or you can watch now this time at a higher speed of playback, you can watch it at 1.2 or 1.5x. So now it will be 1 minus cos a upon 1 plus, sorry, 1 minus cos A. So now here again it will be 1 minus cos A whole square, and the denominator A plus B, A minus B means 1 square minus cos square A, and this will equals to 1 minus cos A whole square upon 1 minus cos square sin square A. Again we will apply this square together in the numerator and the denominator. It will be 1 minus cos A upon sin A whole square. Now separate the term, so it will be 1 minus sin A minus cos A upon sin A whole square, and this thing will convert. Now what you can do, here also you can cancel the square root with the square, so we will be having only 1 upon sin A, that will be cosecant A minus cot A. So this is our right hand side, and hence prove this is the answer. So look, in doing only one question we are able to solve multiple questions at the same time. So now move to the next question, that is also very much interesting here. So this thing is cot theta minus cosecant theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So let me write the first question again here. What was the first question? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta is equals to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. This was the first question, and it was asked in 2020. And the third question which we are discussing here, it was asked in 2015. So look, what is the similarity here? So whatever the left hand side given here, that is the right hand side in the previous question. And if you are getting confused that here cosecant theta in the starting, then cot theta in last, so what you can do, like 2 square is how much? 4, minus 2 square is also 4. So from here, if I in the right hand side, if I take the minus common, so what it will be? Cot theta minus cosecant theta, and there is whole square. So now this negative and the whole square is there, so negative will be converted into positive. So this complete thing will again equals to cot theta minus cosecant theta whole square. So look, this is the left hand side here in the question, and the right hand side of the question is equals to the left hand side of the previous one. So this question, especially this question, you can start from the right hand side also. This is not any hard and fixed rule that we should start from the left hand side. You can start from the right hand side also, you can start from left hand side also, or in some question we can simplify few step in the left hand side, and we can do few step in right hand side, and after simplifying those both the side few step, we can show them if they are equal, then also the answer can be proved. So this is our choice from where we are starting, but we need to prove both the side equal. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. So continuously I will be doing such type of research, like I will be collecting all the similar क्वेश्चन, और ऐसे क्वेश्चन जहाँ पे सेम कॉन्सेप्ट यूज हो रहा हो, और सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करके आप मतलब 3-4 क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. तो इट्स रियली टाइम कंज्यूमिंग टू कलेक्ट ऑल द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द PYQs. So if you want more such helpful question or the video, please stay tuned with the channel and subscribe it and share with your friend also. Thanks for watching till the end.